spoke to the other dealer, and they've said they've got the and. God. Are you there, John? They've got the money, and they can take the car now. Yeah. Well, do you know what? She just rang me back. Literally, I think she was trying me when I was talking. I couldn't believe it. I really couldn't believe it. I mean, it's. Why? You can't hear me very well. No, what I said. Who?
Parrot Face.
Well, I've had loads of trouble with the phone. I said I have to have it on speaker because I can't hear because the thing. But there we go. So yeah, is that all right? Thanks. Thank you, matey. Thank you. I'm sorry it took so long. Have a good. Yeah, take care. Yeah. All right. Thank you, John. Bye, mate.